Hello guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to lock a folder with password without any software. You can lock folder with lot of ways, but this one is cool and without software. There are many software that will provide you this feature, but there is a problem with that. If by any means that software is uninstalled, you might lose your personal data because of the login credentials will be deleted. In this tutorial you will learn to create your own method to lock a folder with a password protection. So, let's go to the video. Now you can see there are two folders and two text documents. And I'm going to hide these two text documents in these two folders. To do that, first open your Notepad application or any other text editor, and copy the below code that is in description, and paste it in that Notepad file by typing your password in your _password. I will change my password as locker. Now save the file as locker.bat. Once you did that, delete your Notepad file because there will be a bat file to use. Then copy and paste this bat file into the location where you want to hide. Then open the bat file and run, then there will be created a new file automatically. Put the files that you want hide into this private folder. Now run again that locker.bat file and you will see a CMD window. In there press Y to lock the folder. Every time when you need to see your private data you have to run that file and enter the password to access your private data. You can use this bat file to hide different folders in different locations. You see both text files are available in two different locations. You can easily save your personal documents and files inside that folder and lock them. You've learned how to lock a folder without any software. So isn't it cool? You can easily lock a folder in few clicks. Let us know if you faced any issues during folder locking. Thank you for watching.